Right, in this video, we went to the laundry and we done some washing. So we will take you in this journey where we walk. It's far from us. We must go with the bus. And our place do have a place where you can put in a washing machine. Now, as I understand, but I may be wrong, this flat should have had a washing machine inside it, but there's nothing there. So we will still sort that out with our caseworker. But it's now a week, and we we only packed like 3 pants and three shirts, so that we can mix it around. Because when you come with a aeroplane, you don't have a lot of space. And what we done is we heard that you cannot buy don't bring a lot of clothes. And I also would recommend it. Don't bring a lot of clothes from South Africa, but just put in, well, like 3 pants, 3 shirts, and a warm jacket. For now, for the winter time, a warm jacket is very important, and nice shoes what you can wear, because you walk a lot of on the airport, and when you're here you never know where you're gonna end up. Like we end up far from the shops, let me say it like that. We kind of like on the end of the city, as it looks to me. I'm still, we don't even know where's north and south. Actually, we will have to look at the sun where it is. But just to give you the idea. Okay, so this video, we walk to the laundry. We do washing there, you will see. And then we will walk over to the Food Lion. Food Lion is a shopping grocery store next door. And I will show you a little bit some stuff there. And when the washing was done, we go back and you will see. Just join us in this journey. That's it. Here comes the intro.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
On our way to go do washing, we don't have a washing machine in our place for now. We will get it later on. And the washing bay is far. We have to go by bus to go to the washing. So now we are walking. The bus stop is about 2 rugby fields from us. Just look how the people leave their toys outside, and look at the dog. There's a dog. Okay, we are here in the washing place. So when you come here, you must pay here. You can use either cash or a card. Add funds, cash, put in the cash. Your new balance is $21.75. Now what you do now is you can go and buy your soap here. Okay, but what you can do is you can come here by this thing, then you can buy stuff here. Now here is some soap. We already bought it now. You scan your card here, we go back, you scan the card there, and then there, let's say 505. You see 505, let's say we want that one, then you press in 505, and then it will fall down and you take it out here. Then you have your soap. So let us go see. There is Eileen busy with one load. This is the load we've done here now, because before where I did not take a video because we did not know how it works, and now she's putting the other clothes in there. En ek het klaar seep ingegooi. Okay, what you do is you flip up this one. You flip up this one, and then you put your soap in here. You soap in, and then let me move back, let Ines do that. I'm scanning it in. Wash and start, and there the machine is started. Okay, so now we wait. A lot of machines here. From here we went through to the, just next door to the Food Lion store. Alright, I want to buy milk. So there's a lot of milk here. That brown one there on top is low fat, and this is your full fat milks. Some different brands, but they are all the same price, $2.69, $2.69. They are all the same price. And this one is 2% reduced fat. We want full fat, whole milk. I suppose whole milk is full. And this one, there they have the date on. Okay, maak maar toe sir. And check here. It's a 1 gallon, 3.78 liter, what they show here. So yeah, that is very interesting, but yeah, there's our milk. We've got milk. Let's go to the next thing. Okay, for now, we're only gonna buy a little bit stuff that we did not get by the food pantry, and we really need. Here is just to show you, there's all the kinds of bacons. And if you pause the video, you will see maybe what it is if you want, and the prices of them, what kind of cuts it is. I'm gonna go slowly through this. Lots of bacon. Then you've got this kind of meat. Okay, here's some processed horses. Processed horse. And this is, I don't know what is this. It's chocolate cream coke. Kind of a burger. Yeah. And there's cookies. Look like if you want to buy for your child, you can buy it already packed and give it to school.
Skinny minis.
Interesting stuff. Polonies. Different polonies. Yeah. Alright, that is so far this. Right, for those who wants to know, can you buy meat here? Look here. What is this one? Smoked picnic half. We are in Food Lion. Oh, yeah. This look like pork. This is pork. Smoke picnic half. It's all that's standing here. So here you have them. Here's some food that's already cooked. Some meat, already cooked meat. I don't know what is this. That's how they cut this one with their sauce. You see, there they have the sauce with it. You will definitely get meat here to braai. Look here. We will definitely be able to braai. Some wors. With time we will taste them. Try them out. See what they taste like. For now we must keep them because our budget is very, very low. Look there, there's some choppies here, man. Yeah, look at those ones. And there. No problem for a braai. I suppose this is mincemeat. Look like this. Oh, it's making it glare on the phone. Mincemeat. And so here we got some cold drink brands. And then here on top we got Mountain Dew. Cold drink brands, Pepsi. Got Pepsi here. Mountain Dew. Diet Pepsi. Yeah, they got them all here. Schweppes. I will go to the other cold drink to see what they have there. I don't know what is this. Cheer Wine Mini. Yeah, and look at this, is all cold drink. Cold drink stuff. It's amazing to see there is people here, but it's not so much. It's not overcrowded. That's why I try to avoid them on the video. I have tasted this one. This one is actually very nice for me. It's like an iron brew. Coca-Cola. Lots of Coca-Colas. There you have Sprite. I must say Dr. Pepper. I do like Dr. Pepper as well. I've had some of Dr. Pepper. And they all are like Iron Brew. If you like Iron Brew, you will like Dr. Pepper. Even this one. I took last one of this one and I really like this. Because we take the zero sugar stuff. I want this one. For 3 you pay $5. For 1 it is $3. Wow, that's Twist Mountain Dew. What is this? Zero sugar mug. Don't know what this is. It's too heavy to take it out. We will have to try this one. No, we don't know what this is. Pepsi's, like we see there. Here we have Nutella, Nutella. The Nutella lovers, you do have it here. Okay, this is now a Lion food store. Huh? Food Lion.
Food Lion.
Food Lion. But there is definitely a huge variety. Look at the bread. All the different kinds of bread. What we have on this side. Here you can buy stir fry, already packed stir fry. Eileen showed this now for me. I passed here and I did not see it. Probiotic cola. I don't know what it means. But yeah, that is also here. Alright, eggs. Cage free 12 large eggs is $2.5. Okay, then you get this extra large. They are $6 for 12 eggs. Okay, why I'm showing eggs is because we are eating a lot of eggs. Okay, the washing is done and now Eileen is folding it up. Well, there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't spend a very long time in the grocery store. Maybe if you want me to spend more time on the grocery store like that, put it in the comments. Remember, what you put in the comments give me an idea of what I must try and film. So feel free and do it. Put for me in the comments, and yeah, then we will see you in the next video. I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but we will see as we continue on our new adventure, our new journey. Cheerio.